How to pin a post on Facebook. So this is a very easy tutorial. You just have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So to start, you just have to go to these three lines at the top right corner and you have to click your profile. Now scroll down and look for the specific post that you want to pin. It can be your previous post, or if you want to post a new thing here, you can also make that as your, or you can also pin that post. So if you found that, what you're going to do is to click this three dots and you can see options here. Okay, edit post, edit privacy, and so on. You just have to tap pin post. So once you tap that, you will be notified that your post has been pinned. So you just have to scroll up and then you will see here that you have pinned this post. Now, what if you wanted to share something like you want to pin this post, okay? For example, you wanted to post like, hello, this is your recent post and you want to pin this one. You just have to do the same thing, tap the three dots and then click pin post, and now your post is pinned. To unpin, you just have to tap the three dots again and then click unpin, and your post has been unpinned. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.